Welcome to the Key Education Foundation video series on child safety. In this video, we will talk about how to protect our children from sexual abuse. This is what we refer to as personal safety. You will learn about safe and unsafe touch, simple personal safety rules, and what children could do if someone breaks those rules. Who is responsible for child safety? That is easy. All adults have the responsibility to be safe adults and make sure no harm comes to children. But apart from that, parents play a very big role in supporting children in learning how to stay safe, empowering them to report any incidents of abuse, and taking action against the abuser. How can we support children in learning about personal safety? It starts with understanding our body. As parents, it is important to teach children that some body parts are considered private parts. These include the genitals, buttocks, chest, and some other parts like mouth and lips. Teach children the proper names of body parts along with the function of the organs. For young children, it is okay to use specific words to name the genitals that do not have any other meaning or signify dirty or shame in a language that you are comfortable with. For example, you can say susu place is for susu to come out. This helps children understand that all their body parts have a purpose and teaches them to respect and care for each and every part of their body, and that there is no shame in any part of the body. Avoid expressions of shame or disgust when talking about your body. For example, saying things like chi chi when children touch their genitals. Discourage keeping secrets related to their body. This will ensure that if children get hurt or someone touches them in their private parts, they will not keep that a secret. You can pause this video here if you want to take a screenshot or note down these points. You may be thinking, how do I do this for my child? What can I do instead of saying chi or stopping my children when they touch or talk about their private parts? Well, you can start with speaking to them about some simple rules related to private body parts. First, clothing rules. We keep our private parts covered in front of others. Mouth is also a private part, but it is not covered. Touching rules. We do not touch our private parts in front of others, and we don't touch others in these parts. Nobody touches anyone's body in a way that makes us or them feel uncomfortable or sad or scared or confused. Talking rules. We talk about our private parts if we have any questions, concerns, or pain with our safe adults. Explain to them that when we are small, we often play with our friends and show or touch each other's private parts or talk about them. This is okay if our friends don't mind. But if an older person, known or unknown to you, wants to join the game, then it is not okay. You can come and tell me about this person. You can pause this video here if you want to take a screenshot or note down these points. Now, who are safe adults? Safe adults are those adults whom children trust. They can be their parents, relatives, neighbors, teachers, or any other adults they know and they trust. Safe adults follow personal safety rules for themselves and with others. Children can be encouraged to identify their safe adults on their own because these are the adults whom children feel safe with, who believe them, and children trust them to take care of them. Now let us talk about safe and unsafe touch. Some touches feel safe, like when we touch each other while talking or playing, a handshake or high five, a parent or a teacher patting a child's back, etc. But sometimes people break safety rules. They may touch, tell, or show things which are considered private or which are unwelcome and violate the personal safety of others. These are unsafe behaviors. There are a few exceptions, like a doctor or a nurse touching a child in the presence of a safe adult for medical purposes, or a person helping us when we are hurt. Sometimes someone may touch another person accidentally, but in such situations, that person says sorry and does not repeat it. So, what could children do when a person breaks safety rules on purpose? We can teach them three simple steps to remember. No. Say no to the person breaking the rules if you can. Go. Go away from the person who is breaking the rules as and when you can. Go to a safe place or a safe adult. Tell. Tell a safe adult. Keep telling until someone listens to you and takes steps to keep you safe. Remember, it is not the fault of the child. They are not doing anything to feel ashamed or guilty about. They are not the ones breaking personal safety rules. Tell the children, if you are in trouble, you can call the child line at 1098. Just remember 10, 9, 8. We commonly see that parents and caregivers tell children to not talk about their private parts at all. But that only leads to the child feeling confused and ashamed about their own body. Breaking the silence about body parts by naming the genitals helps children understand that we can talk about it. Encourage them to talk to you about these parts if there is discomfort or if they have any questions or any older person touches them in these parts. This will discourage them from keeping secrets related to their body. Keeping children safe from abuse requires a strong foundation of trust. We can believe our children and not question or doubt them when they tell us about unsafe behavior. We can support them in identifying and expressing their feelings, especially those related to their safety. We can teach them what could be done in unsafe situations. Whether you are a parent or not, you can still be a safe adult and participate in child protection by creating safe spaces for children, by believing and trusting and taking appropriate action. A lot of sexual abuse that children face is preventable. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. This video is made possible by guidance from Enfold Trust. The images and content are taken from the apps Surakshit and Bal Suraksha developed by Enfold, UNICEF, and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. These apps can be downloaded for free on Google Play Store in 10 different languages.